Jamaica, an island of golden beaches, lush mountains, and vibrant reggae culture, offers a perfect mix of relaxation and adventure. From tranquil shores to energetic cities, it captivates travelers seeking both scenic beauty and rich cultural experiences. In this video, we will explore the landscapes, music, food, and activities that make Jamaica a must-visit destination in the Caribbean. Located in the Caribbean Sea, Jamaica is the third largest island in the region, surrounded by clear blue waters and neighboring islands. Its diverse geography includes mountains, valleys, rivers, and long sandy beaches. Understanding the island's layout helps travelers plan their visits efficiently, from bustling cities to quiet rural towns, ensuring a perfect balance of exploration and relaxation during any trip.
Kingston, Jamaica's vibrant capital, is the island's cultural and political heart. The city combines modern urban life with historic neighborhoods, colorful streets, bustling markets, and iconic music venues. It's home to the Bob Marley Museum and other cultural landmarks. Visiting Kingston offers a deeper understanding of Jamaica's history, creativity, and the lively energy that permeates its daily life.
The Bob Marley Museum is more than a tribute to the legendary reggae musician. It's a cultural landmark reflecting Jamaica's musical heritage. Visitors can explore his former home, see original memorabilia, and learn about the artist's impact on global music. Walking through the museum immerses travelers in the rhythms, stories, and vibrant atmosphere that help define reggae culture worldwide. If you're enjoying this journey through Jamaica so far, don't forget to subscribe to DSV Travel Trip for more inspiring destinations around the world. Hit the bell icon so you never miss our next adventure.
Montego Bay, one of Jamaica's most popular tourist hubs, is famous for its golden beaches, luxury resorts, and lively entertainment. Water activities such as snorkeling, sailing, and jet skiing are abundant. The city combines modern amenities with scenic charm, offering travelers opportunities for relaxation, adventure, and cultural experiences all in one destination, making it an ideal starting point for exploring the island.
Negril's 7-Mile Beach is a stretch of pristine sand and clear turquoise water, perfect for swimming and sunbathing. The area is famous for its stunning sunsets, laid-back atmosphere, and beachside bars. Visitors can enjoy a leisurely stroll along the shore, watch local musicians perform, or simply relax in a hammock, soaking in the warm Caribbean sun and tranquil surroundings of this iconic beach.
Lucia and other small towns along Jamaica's northern coast offer a more authentic glimpse of island life. Quaint streets, local markets, and traditional fishing communities give visitors a sense of Jamaica beyond the resorts. Exploring these towns allows travelers to experience the charm of rural life, interact with locals, and enjoy quieter beaches and hidden coves away from the tourist crowds.
Dunn's River Falls, located in Ocho Rios, is one of Jamaica's most famous natural attractions. Visitors can climb the cascading waterfalls, enjoy the cool river water, and explore the surrounding tropical gardens. The combination of adventure, scenery, and refreshment makes it a favorite for families and travelers seeking both physical activity and unforgettable photo opportunities in one of Jamaica's most iconic locations.
The Blue Mountains, towering over the island, offer breathtaking landscapes, hiking trails, and cooler mountain air. Known for their lush greenery, misty peaks, and panoramic views, these mountains are also home to Jamaica's world-famous coffee plantations. Trekking through the forests, visitors encounter waterfalls, endemic birds, and an unspoiled natural environment, providing a serene contrast to the island's bustling coastal towns.
A Blue Mountain coffee tour immerses travelers in the world of one of the most sought-after coffees globally. Visitors can see the coffee beans being harvested, dried, and roasted, while learning about traditional cultivation methods. Sampling freshly brewed coffee on the mountainside offers an authentic taste of Jamaica, paired with spectacular views and the gentle sounds of the surrounding forests and wildlife.
Jamaica's culture is vivid, colorful, and omnipresent in daily life. Street murals, local art galleries, and live music reflect the island's creativity and history. Walking through the towns, travelers encounter a mixture of traditional crafts, modern artistry, and vibrant cultural expressions, giving a true sense of the island's artistic soul and the way creativity is intertwined with everyday life across Jamaica.
Reggae is the heartbeat of Jamaica. Beyond Bob Marley, The island has given rise to dancehall, ska, and other musical genres that influence global music. Festivals, local performances, and even street buskers keep the rhythm alive. Experiencing this music firsthand, travelers feel the joy, resilience, and cultural pride that define Jamaica's vibrant communities and artistic legacy.
Jamaican cuisine is a sensory delight. Dishes like jerk chicken, curried goat, and fresh tropical fruits showcase bold flavors and local ingredients. Markets and street food stalls provide authentic experiences where visitors can taste the island's culinary traditions. Food is a central part of Jamaican culture, offering not just nourishment but a connection to the island's history and vibrant community life.
Festivals such as Reggae Sunfest celebrate music, dance, and local traditions, drawing visitors from across the globe. Colorful parades, energetic performances, and lively crowds make these events unforgettable. Festivals provide a glimpse into the island's communal spirit, offering travelers a chance to participate in cultural rituals and experience Jamaica's passion for life and music firsthand.
Rafting down the Martha Brae River is a peaceful way to explore Jamaica's natural beauty. Bamboo rafts glide along calm waters, surrounded by lush vegetation and tropical birds. This relaxing activity combines adventure with scenery, offering visitors a chance to appreciate the tranquility of Jamaica's rivers while enjoying guided stories about local folklore and the island's natural history.
Jamaica's waters are home to vibrant coral reefs and abundant marine life. Snorkeling offers an unforgettable glimpse into this underwater world with colorful fish, coral formations, and crystal-clear waters. Both beginners and experienced snorkelers can explore shallow bays or deeper waters, discovering the island's rich biodiversity and experiencing the thrill of observing marine life in its natural habitat.
Beyond snorkeling, kayaking and paddleboarding let visitors navigate Jamaica's bays and hidden coves. Calm waters and scenic surroundings make these activities perfect for exploring at one's own pace. Travelers can glide past mangroves, discover secluded beaches, and experience a closer connection to Jamaica's serene coastal environment, all while enjoying gentle exercise and spectacular views.
Visiting small villages such as Port Antonio reveals the authentic side of Jamaican life. Travelers encounter friendly locals, artisan crafts, and traditional markets. These communities showcase daily routines, culinary traditions, and cultural practices, offering immersive experiences far from tourist hotspots and providing insight into the island's rich heritage and enduring sense of.
Jamaica also boasts secluded beaches that are perfect for quiet reflection and photography. Hidden coves, untouched sands, and dramatic cliffs create idyllic settings for relaxation. These remote spots allow travelers to escape crowds, enjoy the natural beauty of the Caribbean, and experience moments of tranquility, connecting deeply with the island's serene and pristine coastal landscapes.
Jamaica's flora and fauna are rich and diverse. From iguanas and tropical birds to lush plant life, the island provides ample opportunities for nature lovers and photographers. Exploring forests, rivers, and coastal habitats reveals a unique ecosystem, offering travelers a chance to appreciate the balance between vibrant wildlife and the island's tropical landscapes.
Jamaica is more than just golden sands. It's an island that invites adventure seekers to explore its wilder side. From hiking the rugged trails of Blue Mountain Peak to exploring hidden caves and rafting down the Martha Brae River, every journey feels like a discovery. These experiences show that Jamaica is not only for relaxation but also for those chasing excitement and unforgettable thrills.
Jamaica is an island that stays with you long after you leave. Its vibrant mix of turquoise waters, lush mountains, reggae beats, and warm-hearted people creates a rhythm that lingers in memory. Whether you come for relaxation, adventure, or culture, Jamaica offers it all. More than a destination, it's an experience that invites you to feel its spirit and return again.